Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about different types of animals. Wild animal. Now students, let's do an activity. For this activity, students have some animals of different kinds like wild animals, pet animals, birds, water animals, insects, etc. Now in this activity students, you have some cards labeled with farm and pet animals, birds, wild animals, water animals, insects, etc. The different kinds of animals, pictures. The picture of different kinds of animals. Now students have the picture of the animals and now separate them according to their category like I am separating. Dog. Firstly I pick the picture of dog. Dog is a pet animal. So I place here. Butterfly. Butterfly is a bird. Place here. Horse. Horse is a pet animal. Zebra. Zebra is a wild animal. Monkey is also wild animal. Now I pick the picture of spider. Spider is a insect. Hippopotamus is wild animal. Seahorse, it's a water animal. Goat is a farm and pet animal. Cow. Cow is also farm and pet animal. Octopus. Octopus is a water animal. Starfish. Starfish is also water animal. Sparrow. Sparrow is a bird, so place it near the where the labeled bird. Next, I pick the picture of shark. Shark is a water animal, so I place it there. Crane. Crane is a bird, so I place it here. Now I pick the picture of bulbul. Bulbul is a bird, so I place near the birds. Penguin. Penguin is bird. So I place here the birds. Sorry. Wolf. Wolf is a wild animal. So I place it here. Here the label wild animal. Now next I pick the ladybird. Ladybird is an insect. So I place near the insect. The last one is housefly. Housefly is insect. So I place it here. Students, see. Here I place farm and pet animals. Dog, horse, goat, cow. Here I place birds. Sparrow, bulbul, pigeon. Here I placed wild animals. Zebra, monkey, hippopotamus, wolf. Here water animals. Seahorse, octopus, starfish, shark. Here we place insects, spider, ladybird, housefly. Students, you do this activity with the help of your parents. Now students, let's do count and math. Now students, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So match it with 32. Now count the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So match it with 35. Now count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So match it with 31. Now friends, count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So match it with number 37 like this. Now, students, let's play a game of riddles. In this game, students, I will tell you some features of animals and you will guess which animal is this. Are you ready, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Then let's start. Now, students, tell me the name of animal which have a trunk, long teeth, and is heaviest animal of the earth.
Ma'am, elephant.
Very good. Now, students, tell me the name of the animals who barks and we can also put them in our home.
Ma'am, dog.
Very good. Now, students, you tell me the name of animal who lives in jungle and the king of the jungle and which is eat flesh. Now,
Ma'am, lion.
very good. Now, students, you tell me the name of the animal which is the black color and she sound meow meow and loves to drink milk.
Ma'am, cat.
Very good. Now, students, let's clear the concept of up and down. When something is on the table, we will say it is up, and when something is down the table, then we will say it's down. Now the students, I will show you some pictures into clarity concept of up and down to you. In the first picture, students, you can see the cat is on the chair. Now, students, you can see in the second picture the cat is under the chair. Student, in this picture you can see the apple is under the table. Now, students, in this picture you can see the apple is on the table. Students, in these pictures you can see buddies are under the tree. Now, students, sit in a circle with your family and discuss the things that you have done since morning. Students, I will come up with many more interesting videos. Stay connected with me. Take care of yourself. Play indoor games. Stay home. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Thank you, students.